Now I will show you how to deactivate both Facebook and Messenger account. To start, open your Facebook application, then tap the hamburger menu. Now just tap the little setting icon. Now you have to open Account Center, then select Personal Details, tap Account Ownership and Control, select Deactivation or Deletion. Here select the first one, Facebook. Now you can see Deactivate account is selected by default. So just tap Continue to go forward. Here you have to re-enter your password. Then they ask you to select a reason. Here I will select the very first one. It's temporary. I will be back. Then just tap the Continue at the bottom. Then under reactivating your account, you have to select Don't reactivate automatically in the pop-up window. Then tap Done. Now just tap the Continue. Here under Messenger, you have to leave it alone. So if you want to deactivate both Facebook and Messenger, you have to leave this section alone. Then just scroll down. Now just tap Deactivate my account. Then you can see now your account is deactivated, as well as you will be logged out from your Facebook account. Then it will be deactivated only your Facebook account. So you have to do the same thing to your Messenger profile. So open your Messenger application like this. Then if you are not logging in, enter your login details and log back into your Messenger account. Then when you are logged into your Messenger account, you will get this kind of using. Keep using Messenger. Even if you deactivate your Facebook account, your Messenger profile still will remain active. So you can just tap the hamburger menu. Now just tap the setting icon next to your name. Now scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Account Center, select Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion. Here you can see Deactivate Expect Messenger. So now we are going to deactivate our Messenger profile too. Here Deactivate Messenger is selected by default. Now you can tap Continue. Then it asks you to re-enter your password. I will use the autofill option. Then you can deactivate your Messenger account too. So just tap Deactivate Messenger option. Now it will be deactivated your both Facebook and Messenger profile. Instead of temporarily deactivating your accounts, if you want to permanently delete them, you can click this end screen video, or you can find the video links in the description. See you in the next one. Bye.